Welcome everybody. In today's video you're not going to see much of me except my hands. We're going to do an unboxing of a small vacuum, a power canister vac. Got this from Amazon. I'll link down below. I wanted to open this up and show you what we have. Okay. Of course, today a lot of this stuff is made in China, so you'll see a lot of different brand names, but they're essentially the same product. So what we're going to do is open this up. I have one right now that is a Kenmore, and it lasted a couple years, and now it's not recharging. So I'm going to take the plastic off this, and we will put it together, and we'll see what they have here. So it's showing here on the side, it's a 4-in-1. It has an adapter for a short little adapter with, I guess that doesn't have the brush on it. This one shows the brush. So you can do furniture. If you hook up the extension, you can do things that are higher up. It's showing you to do the car, although I don't know if this one actually has the hose. We'll find out. And then using it like a regular vac. And let's see, this is nice right out of the gate. I like that they give you an extra filter. This is something that people, I think, forget about. They forget to replace the filters. So that's good. There's an instruction manual. Notice it doesn't even really have a brand name on it. So I think people tend to put their own brand names on these things when they sell them. And I don't remember seeing a hose in the ad. It showed it on the side of the box. But here is the vacuum head. You can see it swivels. It's got the brushes on it. So that looks kind of nice. And here is the main unit. And the one thing I did hear people say, well, at least one person said when they're holding it, their finger kept hitting the trigger because of the way they had to hold it. I don't know if that's really going to be an issue or not. Looks pretty basic. Looks like you push that button, that's how you'll empty it out. Looks like you can just open that up and get to the filter. Looks pretty straightforward. Here. So this is the battery. Most of these things are self-evident. Here's the plug that hooks up to the charger. The adapter, and you can push that down, and that's where the brush is. I really like that. I like that that is always, push that button, release it. I like that that is always there. That's one of those things that you end up losing, you can't find it when you need it. So I like that that brush is just a permanent part of that stick. What else? That looks like a wall mount. One of two extension sticks. And here's the other extension stick right here. Putting it together should be relatively easy. First I'm going to check and make sure these two are identical. And they are. So, oh, where did that fall out of? Hook that up like that. And then we will hook that up like that, and then this will go on the end. And of course this we don't need right now, this we don't need. So we're going to pull the trigger once. You can see it has a light and it spins. Pull the trigger twice. We have a cat, and he drags cat litter everywhere, so I swept some up here. Let's see how well it works. I'll do it on low speed first. Actually, that was pretty good. It stays in there. The Kenmore that we have, when we pick up cat litter, we pick it up, and the cat litter, a little bit of it would always fall out of the head. But this works really good. Nothing is falling out, and it is all right there in the canister. I don't know where you can see that in the bottom of the canister, but there it is. There's all that cat litter. And I like how easy that can move around just by turning your wrist. Very nice. And it comes with its own light, and all the lights are off here. You can see that works really well. I like that because sometimes you want to be able to see what's vacuuming. Little pieces will cast a long shadow. You'll be able to see if you picked it up or not. So far, at first glance, I'm really impressed with this. It's very lightweight. I like this adapter. This adapter is really a good idea that you won't lose this brush. Just push a button and slide it back. It's easy to empty with the push of this button. You get an extra filter, and I don't see a problem with that button. I don't know what that person was saying, but that doesn't seem like it's going to be an issue at all. It picked up even at the low speed. If it picks up cat litter, it's going to pick up anything. So I'm really pleased with that overall. Oh, one more thing that I really like, and that is this. I like that it has a removable battery. But we got this from Amazon. As I said, I'm going to link it down below. It was under $100. So I think this was a good purchase. From what I've seen, I think you'll be happy with it. Now, maybe in a month, I might come across a problem, but right now it seems to be well made. It works well, it's convenient. I like the removable battery, I like the adapter. One thing I don't like is this flimsy wall bracket. I don't even know exactly how it would work unless the charger is plugged in right there. This bracket will slide right off, or it'll slide off the bracket. So I don't like that. We need something more substantial. This is a wall bracket on my current unit, and you can see it's pretty substantial and nice and sturdy. So I'm going to have to look for something a little more solid for the new one, and I think I found it. Well, thanks for joining me, everybody. As always, I encourage you to like and share the videos. Leave your comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe by clicking my face in the corner. And don't forget to ring that bell icon. That way you'll know when I post new videos. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. That really helps small channels like this. All right, everyone. I'll see you next time. I'm Mark, and this is the Average Me Channel.